Think of layers as transparent sheets stacked on top of each other. Each layer adds a new element or effect to your video.
To add a new layer, just drag the media above the main clip on the timeline.
Right here.
Now you have flexible composition and creative control.
See how the robot is in front? We grab the clip here on the timeline and drag it down. Now the beach scene is the foreground, covering the robot.
When we overlay the graphic layer onto our video footage, we have this seamless integration.
The opacity slider controls transparency. As we increase the value, the image fades in, allowing us to
Welcome to CapCut masking. Masks let you use simple shapes to reveal and blend clips, opening up endless creative possibilities for your edits.
First, select the top video layer. Then, grab the rectangular mask tool and draw the shape where you want the reveal. Now, adjust the feathering for a smooth blend.
CapCut offers a variety of mask shapes. Simply select the mask tool and choose between the circle, rectangle, or a custom.
To reposition the mask, simply click and drag it to the desired area. Now, grab the handles to precisely
And by checking this invert box, the hidden area becomes visible. This is how you unlock those advanced creative options in CapCut for your videos.
In visual storytelling, we use masks to guide attention. By isolating the subject, like this,
we start by drawing a precise mask around our subject using the pen tool. Next, we enable keyframing and manually track.
Welcome back! Today we're diving into split screens using masks. Just draw your mask like this, add some feathering, and drop in the next clip. To integrate the logo seamlessly, we apply a layer mask. Now, using the brush tool, we can refine the blend.
To create the picture-in-picture effect, drag your second clip to the track above.
The mask allows us to isolate the subject.
Now resize and reposition it easily.
Here you can see the hard mask edge. We'll increase the feather radius, creating a smooth, gentle transition that blends seamlessly with the background layer. Understanding background masks allows for seamless replacement. This is a practical use case for dynamic presentations, giving a flawless look in any environment.
Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to quickly reset your mask if it ever malfunctions. Simply use this gesture, tap reset, and it's gone. Easy as that.
Don't be afraid to experiment. Layers and masks are where the real magic happens, so dive in and see what you can create.
To create depth, we utilize separate foreground, midground, and background layers. By stacking them in the timeline like this, by clicking this padlock icon, you can lock the layer. As you can see, it stays fixed, preventing accidental edits and speeding up your workflow. Just drag the clip up to duplicate the layer. Now you have consistency across your effects, but also the creative flexibility to adjust each one. To blend these layers smoothly, simply locate the opacity slider here in the Layers panel. As I drag it down, you'll see layer A. Start by dragging the mask layer over your text like this.
We apply the gradient mask here to create a seamless transition. By adjusting the mask subtly, we achieve this elegant, natural blend.
We start by organizing our elements into layers. Then, by animating each layer at a different speed,
By utilizing layers, we keep our main subject sharp in the foreground. Notice how the background, while beautiful, is softer, supporting the narrative.
As we apply the mask, notice how only the selected area is visible. This emphasizes the precision editing required
To create a dynamic slide reveal, grab the masking tool, animate the mask across your footage, then add engaging easing to the keyframes for that smooth motion.
Draw your initial mask, then right-click and copy the settings. Now switch to the next clip, paste the attributes, and the mask is instantly applied, speeding up your workflow.
To achieve this dynamic split screen effect, we use layers and masks, allowing us to tell two stories simultaneously.
By adjusting the mask feather slider, we can transition from a sharp cutout to a perfectly soft, blended edge, giving you complete control.
see how easily we can mask these brand colors right into the scene. This technique is essential for maintaining channel consistency and a professional look. Start by dragging your guides from the ruler to create a precise boundary. Now, as we move the layers, they snap
Galore, the most common issue is a jagged mask like this. But don't worry, it's an easy fix. Just select the mask thumbnail.
Watch how this yellow mask interacts with our dancing avocado sticker. The mask clips the animation, letting you control the visible area perfectly.
Layered effects enhance emotional storytelling. Visual richness sets the tone.
I encourage you to regularly practice combining layers and masks. It really is the best way to improve.
The key here is understanding how the mask interacts with the underlying layers, which allows for independent animation and controlled complexity.
We first isolate the subject using a layer mask, allowing us to apply a powerful lens blur to the background. We start by grouping the base footage, then move on to the VFX elements. Finally, we organize the graphics and titles.
We use a soft mask to slowly reveal the past. Notice how the golden hour light shines through as the mask expands.
By utilizing a moving mask, we can achieve this spotlight effect. The light guides your attention precisely.
By stacking the different camera angles, we can use the pen tool to draw a precise mask. Adjust the feather amount to achieve this smooth blend between the layers.
First, select the layer you wish to animate. Then, move the timeline marker and adjust the opacity slider down to 0.
By using these colorful shape masks, we can create incredibly dynamic transitions that reveal your underlying footage with style.
To maintain brand consistency, using a mask layer for your lower thirds is essential. It ensures a clean, professional look every single time.
We use a mask to create a wipe transition across the screen. We can adjust the pacing, making it smooth or much faster for a dynamic rhythm.
The key to creative speed is efficient layering. With a single tap, we can shift the entire color palette from cool to warm, instantly visualizing the change.
To isolate the subject, draw a precise mask with the pen tool. Then use these advanced controls to refine the feather.
In this cinematic scene, the layered silhouettes of the forest create profound.
Masks form custom frames around your footage. As you can see, the frame adapts smoothly, offering incredible design flexibility for unlimited creative looks. To achieve selective editing, we apply the blur effect only to the background layer. This keeps our main subject crisp.
Welcome to workflow optimization. To keep your layered projects running smoothly, you need efficient asset management, like using proxies and optimizing your effects. Layered scenes allow us to tell two stories simultaneously. Here, we see a man rushing for his train, while an artist calmly perfects her craft.
Masking is the secret weapon for seamless transitions. As you can see here, by conforming the mask to the object, the wipe is completely invisible.
onto scared visuals.
As you can see, mastering layers and masks gives you complete control over your vision. Now you have the skills to create something truly amazing.
We start with the base environment, then blend the mid-ground castle using luminosity masking. The foreground.
In this tutorial, we'll explain how to limit your mask movement to key story moments, focusing on precision and intentional design.
You want to ensure readability.
Benevolence. To maximize efficiency, simply navigate to the File menu and select Save Setup as Template.
A cluttered timeline slows you down. By grouping your elements like this, you ensure a smooth workflow and maintain excellent organization.
As we slowly pull back, the white space surrounding the central vase begins to reveal a hidden image.
Consistent masking styles are crucial for strengthening your channel identity. By using the same visual patterns, you build familiarity and instant recognition with your audience.
It's a balance between performance and the quality of your masks.
Notice how the layered light masks change the mood. The warm, soft light shifts to harsh.
While the basic edit is quick, using a layered mask gives us this beautiful, refined result. That's the professional difference.
This short tutorial will show you how layers and masks improve your visual hooks. The impact is immediate and highly engaging right from the start. Slow mask movement supports calm storytelling. The motion should feel smooth and controlled.
By using fast mask transitions, you create an exciting visual rhythm that instantly adds energy. Match the cuts to the beat like this.
We align the mask precisely at the tracking points. Now observe how it follows the natural movement.
A common pitfall is neglecting to refine your layer masks, resulting in jagged edges like this. However, with a precise approach,
layers stack vertically in the timeline. Use blending modes to combine clips creatively. Apply a mask like the circle.
By utilizing these layers and masks, you can truly guide your creativity, turning complex ideas into stunning visuals.
Go ahead and experiment with those layers and masks. They really are the key to unlocking your creativity in CapCut. You've got this.
Ultimately, layers and masks are just tools to enhance your storytelling. They amplify your vision, but they can never replace strong, compelling content.